Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 2 of the Walmart clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you all missed it, I did upload a video a couple of weeks ago talking about the Walmart clearance event, how this all rolls out, and when it happens each year, and what to be on the lookout for. So if you need more information, make sure that you go and check out that video. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now in part 1, I told you guys to be on the lookout for totes. Right now is the perfect time to be stocking up on storage containers. Now, last year, around this same exact time, I picked up a bunch of the green Sterilite totes for $5. Right now, they have these purple 18-gallon Sterilite totes priced at $6.98, and it's not $5, but I still think it's a really good price. So I wanted to go ahead and share that one with you, as well as this one right here. So while I was at Walmart, I went back and I started scanning the regular totes in the regular storage section, and I stumbled upon these 32-gallon Sterilite black latching totes. Now, I could not find a regular sticker for these anywhere on the shelves, but I did find one for a 30-gallon. So the 30 gallons were priced at $19.98. However, when I scanned the 32-gallon ones, these are ringing up for $13.98. So I thought that was a pretty good find, and I did end up picking up a few of these as well. Now, also, while you're out shopping at Walmart, you might want to swing through your baby section and check for clearance there as well, because I found quite a few things that were marked at 50% off, some even more than that. I found a lot of clearance tags that were marked at like 90% off, but they have some really good stuff right now on clearance, stuff like booster seats, car seats, toddler beds, even some diapers and things like that. So you really got to keep your eyes peeled and be on the lookout for those clearance stickers. And of course, if you see any of these items at your store and they are not marked as clearance, make sure that you have the Walmart app downloaded to your phone. That way you can scan it in store, because you may find some of these items on hidden clearance. Alright, now the next big section of the store that I noticed had tons and tons of clearance was the toy section. As you can see here, I took a quick video, but there were 2 aisles completely full of clearance toys, games, things for boys, girls, you name it. They had Lego sets. I mean, everything that you could possibly imagine. So if you guys have kiddos, right now would be a really good time to stock up for future birthdays or even next Christmas. Alright, now the next section of the store that I noticed had a lot of clearance stickers was the razor section. Now, some of these have already been bought up, or the employees had moved them over into the regular clearance aisle. So some of these are just stickers, but again, just keep your eyes peeled. There are some really good deals, especially on these electric razors. I know I picked up a couple last year, and I actually gifted them out this year as Christmas gifts. So keep your eyes peeled for those, and also keep in mind that we do have Ibotta rebates on things like Gillette and Venus razors. We may also have some coupons that can go along with some of these items as well. And if you guys are not already signed up for any of the rebate apps that I mentioned in my videos, like Ibotta, Fetch, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, the list goes on and on and on. But if you're not already signed up for any of those, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below. I'm going to have all of that information, referral codes, links, everything that you need to know listed for you down there. All right, now the next few items that I found were in the deodorant aisle, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm a little bit disappointed because last year it seems like we had a lot more than we did this year. So here are the few that I found that were marked in my clearance section. All right, and here in just a few seconds, you guys are going to see some of the items that I found in my clearance section. Now, some of these I actually mentioned in part 1, but I could not find them in the store, in the clearance section, or on the regular shelves, but I did find them. They eventually moved them into the clearance section wherever they were in the store. They finally made their way over there. So I did want to include some of those pictures for you all in this video and kind of give you all a little update, especially on things like the body washes and the hair color products and a few more makeup products as well. Alright guys, and for our final section of the store where I noticed they were putting up a ton, and I do mean a ton of clearance stickers, was in the air care section. And this isn't the small one over near where they keep like the laundry detergents and the paper products and the cleaning supplies. This one is near the home decor section where they have like furniture and curtains and like picture frames and things like that. So basically the whole wall was just nothing but clearance stickers. We have an absolute ton of wax melts, candles, oil diffusers, refills. We have potpourri, all kinds of goodies. So I'm going to let these pictures play for you across your screen, and I'll be back with you all in just a minute. Alright guys, so there you have it for part 2 of our Walmart clearance event. Now, make sure that you go back and check out part 1 if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comment section what all are you guys finding at your Walmarts. And of course, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.